Welcome. In this video, we will see how to start up a previdia compact panel. According to model, the panel has 1 or 2 loops. Connect devices from loop out terminals and turn on the panel. Panel asks to insert the unlock code. This code is sticked on the carton box. To obtain the unlock code, you can also connect to the web page https://service-previdia.inimcloud.com. In the installer section, request unlock code, type the panel serial number. You can read this serial number on the white label above terminal blocks. Click on Obtain Unlock Code, and this is the code to type on display. Press OK, and select one of the available languages. Panel shows the standby window. In case of other windows, you can go back to the standby one by clicking the Home button. Click on Programming button. Insert installer code 00004 at default. Click on Configuration button. In the Configuration menu, click on Loop 1. Click on Parameters button. Select Loop Protocol and Wiring Type. Closed loop for wires or open loop to wires. We have a closed loop, so select for wires and press Set. Press Auto Configure. The first time you have to select readdress, because panel has to give an address to devices and acquire the loop. Panel starts readdress procedure. At the end, display shows a recap of found devices. Click on Diagnostic. On the left window, you have a recap of electric parameters. You can see if loop is closed, if start and end isolators are closed, current absorption, cable resistance. Resistance must be less than 40 ohms. On the right window there is a recap of devices. With ESC buttons, come back to the configuration menu. You have to configure also loop 2. If loop 2 is not connected, you have to program the wiring as 2 wires in order to avoid loop open fault, and press Set to save programming. Panel has 4 inputs/outputs terminals on board. At default, terminals are programmed as output for generic alarm. You can connect alarm sound as the end-of-line resistor is 1 kilo ohm 1 watt and it is inside panel package. If cable is interrupted or there is no end-of-line resistor, you have an open output fault. If you do not use these terminals, come back in Configuration menu, and click on Input/Output. Program the not used terminals as not used. And press Set to save programming. If you need to connect panel over IP, program network parameters. Click on Numbers to change. And press Set button to save programming. Exit Configuration menu. Wait for Level 3 countdown. Level 3 is the programming level. Panel reboots and, in case of no faults, it shows a standby window. Click on Date and Time in order to change them. A maintenance code is required. At default it is 00003. After changing, press OK to save and exit. Thank you for watching this video on previdia Compact Startup.